tree came out. The tree came from Rite Aid. I don't know if I said it before, after Christmas sale. And all of the snowflakes I end up picking up from Dollar Tree. And then there was a store that closed out here in California, LA, was the 99 cent only store. And they had like some remarkable, beautiful items. And they closed that store down and went out of business. And, it was just so sad to see it leave. So this is the tree. Most of the items I shared on the hauls that I did. I did get these beautiful pearl like candy canes from that 99 cent only store. You can't really see it because I don't have the lights on, but I end up picking the beautiful red and white balls here from these ornaments right here came from Ross Dress for Less, okay? And then I already had the something fell down. This candy cane right here. Okay, I thought that was a very great deal because it had more than one item inside of that box. So from now on, I'm going to try to look for those when I go out shopping now for Christmas decorations. Okay, I wanted to stay with the red and white color, and I did just that, okay? Because I could have used the tree that I decorated when I used the my Christmas, I think it was a tree extravaganza. I had did that tree and I did everything gold on it. I wanted to stick with that. I even went out and bought the sequins, everything. That video I think came out spectacular. My creativity was just like popping. Okay. I thought that my creativity was just, oh my goodness, it was on point. And yeah, so I thought that this tree came out so cute. I love how the snowflakes just, oh my goodness. Yes, I love it. I like how that I'm able to use my own creativity and I come up with these, cute little ideas that I put together on my tree. Now, this right here, oh my goodness, I absolutely love the snowflake right there, okay? I wish that it was more than one, and then there's another one right there. I wish that there was more than just a set of three, but I think I paid $5.99, okay, for those. And I wish it was another box like that. I would have gotten it. Then I would have had six. Now, I would have gone into Big Lots, but I think some of the stores here, I don't know, I went by one and they had the big banner that said close out. So I wasn't really able to, I just decided not to stop in there, okay? So I didn't even go in Michael's, and I don't think I'm going there this year, probably after Christmas, just to, see if they have it. Now, when I was in Rite Aid the last time, they were putting things back on the shelf. So I don't know, but I'm looking forward to, after Christmas, I'm going to try to pretty much see if they're going to have anything, on sale, if they're going to have their big 75% off. I don't know. The economy, is changing and starting to get a little bit more robust, but some things are kind of scaling upwards. I'm noticing that. So maybe you are too. I don't know if you're in the California. Out here is very expensive and, it just is what it is, okay? And then, okay, what really got me, I just put this big kitty K right here, okay? Because it was red and white. At first, I thought I was going to put it on the wall. Then I said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and stick it on the tree, okay? It's all good. And then this big candy cane right here, I just took it and set it over here to the side, okay? And that's pretty much it. I thought I was going to use this, but we don't have a mantle here, so I just decided to wrap it around the tree. Yep. And then maybe I'll show you the other tree that I did later on in another vlog. I did not even put a tree in the beauty room, film room, craft room, all of that wrapped into one. Didn't even put a tree up. Okay, I did not put a tree up, but this is the tree. I love all of the red and white on it, and it has no other colors but red and white, and then these clear snowflakes. And the tree skirt came from Family Dollar, and they had some cute items in there. Just the boxes were there, and I could like, my arms are long because I'm tall, so I was able to grab some things over from the sides. But otherwise than that, I will go back in there. But yeah, so happy holidays. And I just want to pretty much give a little bit more in-depth detail about the tree and how I love it and how it turned out. And yeah, so I did not put, wait a minute, I put up that small tree in the kitchen on top of the refrigerator, but I did not put a tree in my beauty room. I did not put a tree back where I keep my appliances. So only did 3 trees, and that little small one on top of the refrigerator really doesn't even count. So anywho, okay. I know, brunch, breakfast. Baby, you're looking for a quick, easy breakfast, brunch ideal for the holidays. Maybe you want to do it for Christmas. I don't know. But this is just an easy, ideal. Make up an omelet, throw some steak in it, have some coffee, hot cocoa on the side, maybe orange juice. But this is just a quick and easy breakfast, brunch ideal for the holidays. Day for myself. Hey, whether I'm cooking, working, cleaning, working, cleaning, cooking, in that order or not in that order, I'm always doing it. So here is a quick and easy meal ideal. Maybe you have some of that turkey left over from Thanksgiving, or you want to take you a chicken breast and slice it up. Make you some gravy. Hey, put you some broccoli on the side. It's a green vegetable. Okay, cruciferous. Yes, we love it. And some good old Jiffy cornbread. Can't go wrong with that. I'm just saying, it's a meal. It's easy. It doesn't take too long. And it's hearty. And I know they'll love it. Don't forget those yams. It is not leftovers. Those are just some yams that I had, and I decided to make a meal again, okay? That's what I do. Even if I'm getting off of work, I'm still going to try my best to cook up something, okay? So that was just an ideal. Now, there's the plate. And of course, I'm just going to go ahead and start breaking the kitchen down, okay? I'm going to clean it up. Make sure I use my bleach and water ratio and clean it up. So very much for hanging out on this video with me today. I hope your holidays are going exactly how you want them. And of course, come back and visit my channel again. If there is a video that relates to this video, it's going to be up in the cards, down in the description box, or it's going to show up at the end screen. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.